Does Squarespace let you build multiple websites? The answer is they do indeed. In fact, I have multiple free websites already built on this account. So if I go to my account dashboard, you can see you can manage your websites super easy just here in the dashboard. So I have 2 sites already that are just on the free trials, and I can have multiple on here too. Now, domains and web hosting apply to sites individually. So when you purchase a web hosting plan, that will be for that specific website. So you can definitely have multiple websites here on Squarespace. However, when you actually have your website published and you've picked a hosting plan and a domain, those are simply attached to the individual websites and will be paid for separately. But as you're spinning up website design ideas, it's really quick and easy to just create them and manage them here on Squarespace. You can have as many websites as you want per account, but each one is billed separately, like I mentioned before. And so that answers the question of whether or not you can have multiple websites on Squarespace.